different pattern on this little line, give it a whirl in just a second. Maybe put a larva, a chironomid larva pattern on, a midge larva.
Yeah, that would be good here. This looks like it'd be good chironomid country. I haven't seen any husk yet. But you probably know me. If I see chironomids coming off, I'll be all over it. I just really enjoy stillwater fishing using chironomid patterns.
Well, I've been using that midge larva with a slow hand twist and getting them on a type 1 and type 2 line. And it,
well, that's a staple food source. You know, dragons, prolonged life cycle, leeches live in the water all the time, scuds. But chironomid larvae are a staple that few think about, and yet with the diversity of species, there's over 2,500, 3,000 species of chironomids in Western North America alone. All those overlapping hatches, some species up to a year in the larval state, they're always around, and trout know that that's just good feeding, especially over muddy flats, because chironomid larvae love to, form their burrow homes in that mud-water interface right along the bottom, and trout will get right in there and root them out. Chironomid larvae are just a great pattern.